Hey guys, how are you doing? So I am back with another video from my addicted blogging channel, and I will tell you in this video how you can turn on the always on display for this Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch. So this video will be a sick video guys, so watch the video till the end, and if you are a tech enthusiast then subscribe to my channel because I bring tech videos in this channel. So first of all, this always on display in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch looks really great, and if the screen will be turned off it will be activated automatically. So let the screen turn off and I will show you how the always on display looks. So this is the always on display. You can configure it to digital also, you can configure it to analog also, and you can configure it to according to the watch face which you are wearing. It will show you the always on display. So how to turn it on is you have to click this crown one time. There is nothing you need to do in your app, but the things you need to do is in the watch itself. You need to click this crown one time and you need to click on come down and come to these settings. In the settings you will get the screen of watch face option. In the screen of watch face you have to click on enabled. In the enabled you have to click on enable in smart mode is one option. This option if turned on it will detect whether you are wearing this watch, and always on display will be enabled if it detects that you are wearing the watch. If you are keeping the watch to somewhere else, the always on display will be turned off. So always on display will not work if you are placing the watch in somewhere or like you are not wearing the watch. So always on display, in order to turn it on for always, like whenever you are doing something, it will be turned on also. Like if you are keeping the watch also it will be turned on too. For that option you need to click on this one. So what it will do is it will keep a time, like it will show the time like when the always on display will be turned on, and you can configure it to any time, and whenever the timing will be in this time like 8 AM to 12 AM, whatever is selected, always on display will be turned on. And if it is like outside this time schedule it will be turned off to save power, which is really great. And also you can turn it to off also, that is up to you whether you want to turn it off. And there is another option, follow current watch face. So if your watch face is a digital watch face it will show you the digital always on display. If your watch face is an analog watch face, so it will show you the analog watch face. My watch face right now is an analog watch face, so it will show me the analog digital on display for this watch. I will show you the digital on display for digital watch face also. So let me come to settings. So if the watch's screen is turned off now, it will show me the digital watch face. So the digital watch face is a bit elaborate with respect to the analog watch face. It will be shown right now when the screen is turned off. So let's get, yeah, here is the digital watch face for digital always on display, you can say. And it will show you the step count, it will show you the day, it will show you the date, and it will show you the time also, which is great. So that's it guys, this is the way you need to, like, these are the steps you need to follow in order to turn on the always on display for your Amazfit GTS 2 mini watch. It has an AMOLED display and it is really good, and it is taking the advantage of AMOLED display by showing you the digital, like by showing you the always on display obviously. So thank you guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.